How's it going, everyone? This video is going to be over my morning routine and everything I do prior to New York morning session. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the higher time frame charts, such as the daily and weekly, and see where price is likely to draw to. So looking at this price action right in here, you can see we ran these highs right here and then got an aggressive move down, putting in some equal lows. When I see equal lows, I think of a target. So I will want to have that be taken later. But with this displacement range, when I see a displacement range right here, I want to see a retracement back into a discount, which you can see we have not reached yet. So this gives me the expectation that price is going to move higher today. So understanding that, you can look at the hour and 4 hour. Not much showed up, but we will go to the 15-minute and I do basically the same thing. So from the 15-minute chart, the very first thing I will do is go to an economic calendar, such as forexfactory.com. You can see we have high impact news at 8:30. So going back here, I will go to 8:30, mark it off. The next thing I will do is mark off obvious highs and lows, right? So for example, we have a high there, and then we have lows here. So understanding that we're expecting higher prices, we want to see a move down to run liquidity to then go higher. Understanding this, you can also mark out the midnight opening price. So after marking out the midnight opening price, we want to see a move below that in order to get long, right? That would be your classic buy day. So get rid of this internal range liquidity there, and then keep these here. So what else do you see in this area? Well, we have a nice little fair value gap here. So seeing that, my ideas would be we get a move lower, sweep this liquidity down here to then get a move higher. With that idea in mind, you can prepare to take long positions after the 8:30 with your stop at this low, taking your first partial at this high, second partial, third partial, and then hold to close, right? Now you're wondering, what if you don't want to take this entry right here right away? You can take a lower time frame entry, right? So if you miss this one here, there's probably going to be a setup, right? So looking at the 5-minute, we have a displacement range here. See where the displacement range stops, right? So it stops there. So then you would mark out this high to low. To get long, you would want to see a retracement into this area. Well, we have a fair value gap here, 0.62 fib. So then if you miss this first entry, you could always get long around this 0.62 fib, risk the low here, and then you would want to be targeting highs, right? And you can see even if you miss the first entry, you can still get secondary entries in, right? So just to clarify, what do I go through each morning? I look at the higher time frames to see where price is likely to draw to. Look at the 4 hour, 1 hour for fair value gaps, liquidity, points of interest. Then I mark out all the obvious highs and lows on the 15-minute chart, and then I will look at lower time frame entries off of that. So I hope this video helps. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.